Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Thursday, the 15th of September. We promised a cool change, and guess what? We have a cool change. Really cooler than expected. Nobody griping about that. Let's go to some of the Skycam shots around the network. The clouds are hanging tough. That's the Birmingham Skycam, as seen from high atop the Daniel building. The sky is cloudy. We'll go to Gadsden. Pretty much the same deal. Hey, we're only in the 60s here. And yesterday we had low 90s around here. Just fantastic. Check the water vapor satellite shot. And again, we've got the big trough north of us that's beginning to lift out, but the cold front had plenty of push to get down to the south. In fact, there's the surface analysis showing the front nearing Mobile. And look at that big old, what is that, a 1,030-something millibar high around Minneapolis, St. Paul. And man, was it cold up there this morning. They had a couple of spots in the upper teens here in mid-September. Wow, what an air mass. And the clouds are pretty thick. That's the visible satellite shot. You can see some convection along that front down in southeast Alabama, with the stratiform clouds behind it covering much of North Alabama. You have to go really to Memphis to find the sunshine. But we will assume that subsiding air will take care of most of the cloud cover tonight, the sky becoming fair. And you bet your buddy it's cooler. Look at Coleman and Haleyville sitting at 61 at 2 o'clock. The warm spot, Montgomery at 77. Tuscaloosa 71. Birmingham at 68. And again, tomorrow, forget the 80s. We'll struggle to reach the mid to upper 70s again tomorrow. And around the nation, wow, that's at 2 o'clock. I see some 40s over Nebraska, South Dakota, and Kansas. Some rain falling out there. That doesn't feel like summer. And this is still technically summer for about another week. And that old hot air is really being squeezed out of here. And good riddance. Of course, we know we'll have more warm days, but it's going to feel good for a while. There's a watch warning map, and again, this is the new look from the SPC. They went to this new graphic today. The main issues are frost and freeze advisories up around the Great Lakes, where they'll be way down below freezing again tonight. Convective outlook, obviously, with a cool continental air mass dropping in. Severe weather will not be a problem. And rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday morning at 7 o'clock. Not much. I don't know. I don't think most places will get anything between now and Tuesday morning at 7. Heavier totals north and west of here. Tropics, very quiet. One system, Maria, that's on the way out. Tropical storm, almost a hurricane. The top winds are 70 miles an hour. There's the updated track. NHC's does bring it to a minimal hurricane status in about 12 hours, and again, moves it up toward Nova Scotia and then up into the North Atlantic. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. Again, that big upper trough that brought the cool air is lifting out into northeastern Canada. We got a zonal flow beneath that. And again, tomorrow should be a dry day and a cool day. The NAM showing 76, the GFS 78. NAM much better with temperatures here recently. So we'll probably go with mid-70s. And again, got kind of an easterly flow. I would assume that East Alabama could stay kind of cloudy-ish tomorrow and maybe 60s all day. West Alabama, some sunshine in 70s. Depends on where you are, but we think most everybody will be dry. It'll be a great night for football tomorrow night for the high school games. And there's Saturday starting off the weekend. Again, dry, mix of sun and clouds, highs 77 to 80. Very nice day. And Sunday, we'll start to warm up a little bit. The GFS is showing 83. Slight increase in moisture, but again, we're not going to mention the showers for now. Go to next week, and the westerlies have lifted north, so it's going to be warmer. The heights are coming up. There's the surface chart, probably mid-80s, partly sunny. There's Tuesday, pretty much the same deal. Wednesday, you got moisture all around us. I think we probably will start to mention some risk of, widely scattered showers Tuesday or Wednesday with mid-80s, pretty warm and muggy. And a week from today, the polar jet is in Canada. Interesting upper low over Kansas. And again, there's a pretty good bit of moisture around. That would suggest a chance of showers, but no really cool air. Probably low to mid-80s. Cloudy at times, few showers around. Check the end of the forecast. The 1st of October, just saying that word makes me feel good. My favorite month of the year, I do believe. Look at that big upper low that's over the southeast. Wow. Cold core upper low, weatherman's woe. Dynamic cooling should make for pretty comfortable temperatures there if that's right. But, of course, we own this. This is out there in the land of voodoo. We're just looking for trends. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Being Alabama's news leader means digging deeper to get you the facts, working harder so you have all sides of the story, and not being afraid to tell the truth. Every day you award us by making ABC 3340 Alabama's most watched news. And now the Associated Press has named us Alabama's most outstanding news operation. That's 9 times since 1996, more than all other stations combined. And that's 9 more reasons you should trust the news leader. ABC 3340.